Good morning, youth influencers. I am featuring the Dead Sea Mud Mask today, and I am going to apply it on my face and then leave it on for like 15-20 minutes and then jump in the shower and rinse it all off. The Dead Sea Mud Mask is a great mask for like ultra hydrating your skin. So it's really good after you do a chemical peel. Let's say a day or two after a chemical peel, you want some hydration on your face. There's avocado oil in here, hyaluronic acid, and colloidal oatmeal. So this mud mask is great for hydrating the skin, and then also it gets rid of impurities. So it helps pull out any like impurities, any blackheads. It really just rejuvenates the skin. So it's a mask that you want to do at least once a week, every other week, but you don't want to go more than a month without doing this. You want to make sure you're doing this consistently to see the results from it. And it's amazing, like my skin tends to be like combination. I tend to be like oily and then like really dry, and I have acne prone skin. So I use a lot of retinol on my face, and you know, I'm constantly putting things on my face just because I've always struggled with acne. And you know, right now, no makeup, like I am super confident to be able to not wear makeup and still be in public, just because of all the products that I've been using with Youth. They've really made a huge difference on my face. And so the Dead Sea Mud Mask is really good for maintenance, and also just to keep the skin hydrated, and then also just remove any impurities from your face. So the Dead Sea Mud Mask will pull all of that out to the surface. But I'll show you how I apply it. So I either use it at night or in the morning, right before I'm about to jump in the shower, but I leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes. And it's like this, so it's already like mixed for you. And I use a little brush like this, and I just brush it on my face. You wanna have a good layer on your face. So I'll start with my nose. And you want to avoid your eye. And just go around the lips. Like that. And put on my forehead. Feels really good. It feels very like relaxing, very calming. And you can feel it working too when you leave it on. There's a lot of good key ingredients: avocado oil, hyaluronic acid, colloidal oatmeal, which is good for your skin, aloe vera, and you want to apply it on clean skin. So I just cleansed my face with the vitamin C facial cleanser, and then I applied this on my face, and then you want to let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll leave it on like this. You let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. So when the color changes, so right now it's a bright green color, it really matches my shirt, and then it'll turn to a dark muddy looking color. It'll turn to like a dark gray, kind of like this color. Once it dries on your face, then you can wash it off, and it'll take about 15 to 20 minutes. But then what I do to wash it off is I just jump in the shower and just like wash it off right then and there, rub it on my neck. You could even put this on your neck too, which I'm gonna do that. You can put it on your neck. And it prevents premature wrinkles, anti-aging mud mask, and it also repairs your skin from any damage. Great for after your peels. There we go. So once a week. Okay, so I'm just showing you right here how how it is almost all dry. So this is what it looks like when it's dry. Here you can see it's still wet. So before you rinse it off, you want to make sure that it's all dry on your face. So once this is all dry, then we can rinse it off. Can't really make a lot of movement with your face. It's like once it dries, it's like hard on there. But the best way to wash it off is either with a warm washcloth or jumping in the shower just to get it all off in there. And the steam is also going to help your skin.